Hey there, photography enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 best and cheapest drones for professional photography. We'll dive into the price, advantages, and disadvantages of each one, so you can make an informed decision when choosing the perfect drone for your needs. So, let's get started. Drone 1. First up on our list is the Holy Stone HS720. The price $289. Advantages: 1. Extremely budget-friendly option for beginners. 2. 2K video and 12MP stills for good image quality. 3. 26-minute flight time. 4. Foldable design and easy-to-use controls. Disadvantages: 1. Lower video resolution compared to other options on this list. 2. No obstacle avoidance system. 3. Limited intelligent flight modes. Price comparison. Now, let's compare the Holy Stone HS720's price to other drones in the video. At $289, it's not the cheapest option available, but it does offer a good balance of features. Drone 2. Next, we have the G-Mini 2. Say the price $339.00. Advantages: 1. Portability. One of the biggest advantages of the DJI Mini 2 SE is its portability. With a weight of just 249 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry around. Plus, its foldable design makes it even more compact, perfect for those on-the-go adventures. 2. Easy to use. The DJI Mini 2 SE is designed with beginners in mind. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls make it easy for anyone to pick up and start flying. And with features like GPS and automatic return to home, you can feel confident that your drone is safe and secure. 3. Impressive camera quality. Despite its small size, the DJI Mini 2 SE packs a punch when it comes to camera quality. It's equipped with a 12MP camera that can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS, ensuring that your aerial footage is crisp and clear. 4. Extended flight time. The DJI Mini 2 SE boasts an impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes, giving you plenty of time to capture stunning aerial shots without having to worry about constantly recharging your drone. Disadvantages: 1. Limited obstacle avoidance. One of the main drawbacks of the DJI Mini 2 SE is its limited obstacle avoidance capabilities. Unlike some of its more advanced counterparts, the Mini 2 SE doesn't have a full suite of sensors to help it navigate around obstacles, so you'll need to be extra cautious when flying. 2. No active track. Another disadvantage is the lack of active track, a popular DJI feature that allows the drone to automatically follow a subject. This means you'll need to manually control the drone if you want to capture dynamic shots of moving subjects. 3. Wind resistance. Due to its lightweight design, the DJI Mini 2 SE may struggle in windy conditions. While it can handle moderate winds, it's not as stable as some of the larger drones on the market. So, you'll need to be mindful of the weather conditions when planning your flights. Pricing. Now, let's talk about the price. The DJI Mini 2 SE is positioned as an affordable option in the DJI lineup, making it an attractive choice for those looking to get into drone photography and videography without breaking the bank. At the time of this video, the DJI Mini 2 SE is priced at around $339.00 for the standard package, which includes the drone, remote controller, and one battery. There's also a Fly More combo available for around $489, which comes with additional accessories like extra batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying case. Conclusion. So, is the DJI Mini 2 SE worth it? If you're a beginner looking for an affordable, portable, and easy-to-use drone with impressive camera quality, then the DJI Mini 2 SE might be the perfect choice for you. However, if you require advanced features like obstacle avoidance and active track, you may want to consider investing in a more advanced drone model. Drone 3. Moving on to the DJI Mini 2. Say Fly More combo. The price, $489. Advantages: 1. Comprehensive package. The DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More combo is designed to provide you with everything you need for an enhanced drone flying experience. In addition to the drone and remote controller, the package includes 3 batteries, a charging hub, a carrying case, and extra propellers, ensuring you're well equipped for your aerial adventures. 2. Extended flight time. With 3 batteries included in the Fly More combo, you can enjoy an extended flight time of up to 93 minutes, allowing you to capture more footage and spend less time charging your batteries. 3. Convenient charging hub. The charging hub included in the Fly More combo allows you to charge up to 3 batteries simultaneously, making it more convenient and efficient to keep your drone powered up and ready to fly. 4. Protective carrying case. The carrying case that comes with the Fly More combo is designed to protect your drone and accessories during transport. Its compact design and durable materials ensure that your gear stays safe and organized while you're on the go. Disadvantages. 1. Higher initial cost. The main disadvantage of the DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More combo is its higher initial cost compared to the standard package. However, considering the additional accessories and benefits, many users find the extra investment worthwhile. Drone 4. Our fourth pick is the Videography FPV drone. The price, $699.99. Advantage. 1. Immersive FPV experience. The Videography FPV drone offers an immersive first-person view (FPV) experience, allowing you to see what the drone sees in real time through the included FPV goggles. This feature enhances your flying experience and makes it more engaging and enjoyable. 2. Compact and portable design. The Videography FPV drone has a lightweight and foldable design, making it easy to carry and transport. This portability is perfect for those who want to take their drone on the go for spontaneous flights and adventures. 3. 4K HDR camera. The Videography FPV drone is equipped with a 4K HDR camera, capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos. The camera also offers a 180-degree tilt gimbal, allowing you to capture unique perspectives and angles. 4. 25-minute flight time. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes, the Videography FPV drone provides ample time for you to capture stunning aerial footage and enjoy the immersive FPV experience. Disadvantages. 1. Lack of obstacle avoidance. One of the main disadvantages of the Videography FPV drone is the lack of obstacle avoidance features. This means you'll need to be extra cautious when flying in areas with obstacles, as the drone won't automatically detect and avoid them. 2. Limited range. The Videography FPV drone has a limited range compared to some other drones on the market. Its maximum transmission distance is around 2.5 miles, 4 kilometers, which may not be sufficient for some users who require a longer range for their aerial adventures. Drone 5. Finally, we have the Autel Robotics Evo Lite. The price, $805.80. Advantages. Compact and portable design. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite features a compact and foldable design, making it easy to carry and transport. This portability is perfect for those who want a drone that's convenient to take on the go for spontaneous flights and adventures. 2. 4K HDR camera. The Evo Lite is equipped with a 4K HDR camera, capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos. This ensures that you can capture stunning aerial footage with great detail and color accuracy. 3. 40-minute flight time. With a flight time of up to 40 minutes, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite provides ample time for you to capture amazing aerial footage and enjoy an extended flying experience. 4. Obstacle avoidance. The Evo Lite features advanced obstacle avoidance technology, which helps to ensure safer flights by detecting and avoiding obstacles in its path. This is particularly useful for those who are new to drone flying or for flying in areas with many obstacles. Disadvantages. 1. Price. One of the main disadvantages of the Autel Robotics Evo Lite is its price. It's more expensive than some other drones in its category, which may be a concern for budget-conscious buyers. 2. Limited availability. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite is a relatively new drone, and as such, it may not be as widely available as some other popular drone models. This could make it more difficult to find and purchase. Pricing. At the time of this video, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite is priced at around $999. This price includes the drone, a remote controller, and a single battery. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite offers a compact design, a 4K HDR camera, a long flight time, and advanced obstacle avoidance technology. However, its higher price and limited availability may be a concern for some buyers. If these factors are not an issue for you. So there you have it, our top 5 best and cheapest drones for professional photography. Each of these drones offers a unique set of features and capabilities, so it's essential to consider your specific needs and budget when making a decision. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for the perfect drone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.